Hey everyone, my name is Ajay Prajapati. I am the humorous teacher, author of the book Discover the Right Career, and founder of the program Teacher Toy. So today something interesting I'm going to share with you that you might don't know about me. शायद ही कभी सुना हो समझा हो. Well, if I talk about my own training or the teaching, when I completed class my 12th, जब मैंने 12वीं क्लास पास की थी तो I was terrible. ठीक है, I was terrible मीन्स यहाँ ही कहीं किसी चौक वॉक पे खड़े हैं, कुछ है यहाँ वहाँ लोगों को परेशान कर रहे हैं, ठीक है, और बटन खोल के 3-4 दोस्तों के साथ में घूम रहे हैं, क्लास वगैरह चले गए तो ना पढ़ रहे हैं ना दूसरों को पढ़ने दे रहे हैं, ठीक है. तो जब मैं ये कोचिंग खोल रहा था, जब मैं अकेडमी स्टार्ट कर रहा था, तो जब मैं एक्चुअली आई वाज फाइंडिंग द हॉल, मैं एक हॉल ढूंढ रहा था, तो फिर लॉट ऑफ साउंड फ्रॉम द बैकग्राउंड. यस, लेट्स डोंट फोकस देयर. ठीक है, तब मैं यहाँ जब आई वाज जस्ट केम, तो फिर आई जस्ट केम हियर, तो फिर वो जो अंकल का जो लड़का था उसने पूछा, अच्छा तू कोचिंग वगैरह तो खोल रहा है, लेकिन पढ़ाएगा कौन यहाँ पर? क्यों, मैं पढ़ाऊँगा. अब वो कह रहा, अब भैया इसके जैसे पढ़ाएंगे तो हम क्या करेंगे. तो ऐसा कुछ कंडीशन था. दैट वाज टेरिबल अबाउट, राइट. इवन एक्चुअली मेरे को भी बिलीव नहीं हुआ था कि यार आई एम डूइंग राइट और रॉन्ग, जो भी कुछ है हो गया. आफ्टर 1 year, ओके, सिर्फ 1 साल के बाद में, मीन्स 1 और 1.5 साल के बाद में, आई मेट विद वन ऑफ द गुरु, द मेंटर ऑफ माई लाइफ, रवि सर. द डे आई मेट विद हिम, आफ्टर मात्र 8 महीने के बाद में, और आफ्टर 6 months, राइट, ऐसी तबाही मचा दी मैंने संगम विहार के अंदर में. समझ गए लोग, हाँ यार कोई टीचर है. एक बार मैं अंकल के पास में गया, दुकान के पास में, कह रहे यार पढ़ाते तो बहुत सारे देखे हमने, थोड़ा धीरे बोला कर, थोड़ा धीरे पढ़ाया कर. तो ऐसे कर, मतलब एक अजीब ही, मतलब 2 लोग क्लास के अंदर बैठे पड़े, आई एम पैसिनेट, how things are happening. मतलब कि एक वो था, and people are from TKD, तुलकाबाद, वसंत कुंज, RK पुरम, in संगम विहार people are coming, right. Look at the area. और जिस तरीके के जो लोग हैं, people are coming, hearing a lot. One of my student, Amita, she was my friend, and she said that you are gold, you are कोहिनूर. तुम लोग कोहिनूर हो. बड़ा यार, ये देखिए ऐसे लोकेलिटी की बात करो, चप्पल जूते मसाले बेइज्जती करा देते हैं ये. अब भैया हम लोग कुछ लोकेलिटी का क्या करते हैं भैया, हैं बताइए अब क्या यार, कराओ चप्पल जूते सही अपने, ठीक है. तो फिर what I was saying, okay, so what I was saying, yeah, but the days changed and I was on the top, like rapidly things were happening. You know what, why or how this happened? Because I learned 3 things from my mentor. These are 3 things. What is that? Look at it very carefully. Oh, chappal joote se kara de. Okay, now for what I was saying, that the first one is here, virgin. Okay, virgin, vision and vampire. Okay, virgin, vision and vampire. What do you understand by this word virgin? Virgin means actually he just I just learned how to, this means add humor, acting, stories, authenticity, right. मतलब कि आजकल जो टीचर्स वगैरह वो एक्सप्रेसिव वगैरह नहीं है, जो होने चाहिए वो नहीं है, ठीक है. यार बहुत ज़्यादा दिक्कत हो रहा है. तो what I was saying, तो फिर ऑथेंटिसिटी नहीं है, तो दिस वर्जिन आई लर्न दैट फ्रॉम हिम. लेटर ऑन I learned that vision is very important for your teaching. Okay, that why are you teaching, what are you teaching, your vision, mission, your calling, actually your name, fame, money, these must be connected to the work. That actually was that will give you the power, that will give you energy to teach. A lot of people, they come, a lot of the teachers, they get into the classroom, they're nothing doing. Okay, the list is here. Vampire, actually I learned from him how to correctly deal with the results, mistakes, classroom management, and it's to be a best teacher. I want to ask you, I was never been a great teacher, but I learned from my mentor. I'm gonna ask you, who is the mentor of your life, who is inspiring you, to to discover your own authenticity, inspiring to laugh a lot, creating a great classrooms that you love, who is inspiring you to actually, to do some massive, doing some crazy, doing some unrealistic stuff in terms of training or teaching, who is inspiring you to be a great doer instead of being a great teacher, who is your mentor, who is your coach. So what is missing from your life? Okay, right now, are you having the right vision for your, are you having the right vision for your teaching? Are you using the right version that you are right now? Are you having, are you into these vampires? Maybe that you have a wrong mindset to dealing with the results mistakes or classroom management. देखा होगा बच्चे परेशान करे, teacher परेशान रहे. Why? Because they don't have the right classroom management. They don't have the right way to creating the results. They don't have the right ways to making the fighting the mistakes. Who is your mentor? Who is inspiring you to actually say the story through the teaching, write your life through the teaching? Who is your mentor? That's my question to you, right? So find the mentor who can help you, find the mentor who can fuel your teaching, right? The mentor who can help you to actually create a lot of the humorous teacher, or actually act at the stories, humor, so your classroom becomes the heaven. Find it. My name is Ajay Prajapati. Just to remind you, you must have these three things. You must focus these three things in order to be a great teacher, awesome teacher. Just to write your story through the teaching is what? Virgin, vision, and vampire. Have these things and you're gonna be awesome. See you the next day. Bye bye. Take care.